3 of the best morning tips for a healthier lifestyle. Number 3. Get up around the same time every day. I know you hear this all the time, but it allows for your mind and body to adjust to a good routine. Sleeping in 20 to 30 minutes one day or getting up 15 minutes early the next will not throw your body out of whack, so don't feel guilty. The benefits: for 1, your physical and mental well-being. More clarity and focus throughout the day. It is a win-win situation. Number 2. Give yourself time to wake up. Some people can get up, hop in the shower, grab a coffee and go. Others may need more time to plan out their day. Lounge in your PJs for 30 minutes. Watch something entertaining. Sip green tea while you read. Let your mind and body fully wake before rushing into the day. Your body will thank you for it. Number 1. Stretch it out. Yes, this is my number 1 tip. Add yoga, Pilates or even Tai Chi to your morning routine. Old or young, your joints will love you for giving them a morning stretch. Breath deep. Do arm circles. Touch your toes. Get your mind and body ready for the day. You can do it. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your life. Be blessed.